turabashimiye cyane bakunzi bamagagi Burundi, mwebwe mwese mukurikirana iyi channel kuko tubona ko tudatamba nk'abirorera. Ego muradukurikirana cyane gose kandi ni mwebwe muduha intege mu byo dukora byose. Tukaba tubashimiye rero aka kanya kose tumaze turi kuri YouTube. Uyu ni umwaka ugira kabiri gusa dutanguye gukora, ariko iyo tugeze twashima ni kubwanyu. Bashimira ukuntu mugira komanteri, tubashimira ukuntu mubisangiza abandi. Ibyo byose twabibashimira kandi bitwereka ko tutari twenyene. Ubutumwa tuba dushaka kwerekana muri ibi biyago by'amakomedi yicishije mu gutwenga, nizera ko byubaka benshi kandi bigira ico bifashije muri ahantu tuba turi. None rero twebwe turabashimiye ku myaka 2 iheze, twongera tubasaba ko mubandanya mu kubana natwe kuko ni kure twifuza kugera, ni heshi ni hanihaye, hari urugendo dusigaje nigo runini gusumvya ubwo tumaze. Ubu rero tugomba tubabwire ko tugiye kuza turabazanira n'ibintu by'amaseri, tuve mu makomedi tubashiramo komedi,
na za komando
ibikino by'ingo by'imiryango cyane cyane. Murabona ko indira nawe nyene
ndakanda kubise
ndabwira bara kintu byinshi tubicishako. Ibi birori iyo bayi kirori turamenyesha ibaye mu karere, tukabereka amakuru aho bigeze. Ego rero tabashimira ukuntu bandanya kubana natwe, turabakingura kose bandanye muduha intege kugira ngo twashe kuzamuka. Mubwira komanteri aho twabikoze nabi, mutubwira ha oya ivyo mwifuza ko twabagezako tubibagezako. Murakoze cyane gose.
Thank you for supporting Magagi Burundi, Magagi Comedy. We have any more to say? We have nothing to say except congratulations for your support. You know, we do in different categories. We do the publicity of different people, the publicity of the development of country of someone else. So we do our best. We show where they have something else, where they have something new. So we are much appreciated for liking our page, for subscribing to our page, for sharing to others the news of our page. So what you have to do now, what you have to say is to say congratulations for your support. We have to thank you for your support. So as we promise you, we're going to work hard to make you happy, to make you be informed by several categories of many things, by showing videos or by showing information about the whole world, where we have to go, where we have to achieve. So for your support, we achieve many things. We get more information. We get somewhere else. Now we engaged to show you every area of the country where the lot information, where the lot activities of individual business or activity of the country. So in this case, we come here for appreciating, for thank you for achieving our more 1,000 subscribers to our channel Magagi Burundi. As the one who follow the business or the activities of Magagi Burundi, I'm here for gratitude, in order to congratulate your support. So we promise you to do our best in order to develop, in order to achieve more than we expect. Thank you so much. We love you so much, and we will do our best for you.